But potatoes come actually out of the ground like this. They do have imperfections. They are green, they are rot, or they have mechanical damage. And who is responsible that this doesn't end up on your plate? Yes. It's the family farms grading and sorting their potatoes like this, like 50 years ago. It's very slow, it's expensive, it's inconsistent, it's super unhealthy, and it's unflexible. But for these kind of farms, there is no automation available. Therefore, we developed our sorting system. We developed a retrofittable potato sorting system which scans the potatoes with a camera system and sorts them by pneumatic fingers. Our system is so modular that it can be easily retrofitted on every standard conveyor belt. We use state-of-the-art computer vision models which detects the defects, and we run everything on edge so the farmers do not need any internet connection. This is our system. The green part is retrofitted on a standard conveyor belt. We focus on farms which cultivate 5 to 50 hectares of potatoes in Germany, and then scale to Europe, and later stage we want to expand to other vegetables and fruits. Our business model consists of selling the systems to farmers or via dealers to farmers. In the later stage we want to make additional revenue with software updates or service. We already have a lot of inquiries by farmers. Over 75 farmers are already interested in our system. We do have competitors, but we are the only system which is retrofittable. Therefore we are extremely cost efficient. We have a high throughput, and with our software stack we can easily adapt the system to other vegetables or fruits. We are a team which covers everything from farm over mechanical engineering to software development. We have a strong advisory board from TU Munich, and we already have 2 employees. We started 1.5 years ago, full-time, are currently testing our systems on the farms and want to start selling the machines by the end of 2025. We all do that to help farmers like my parents to double the productivity and to improve their lives. Now we're searching partners who want to grow with us, becoming a leader in vegetable and fruits grading in the world. Thanks. Are there any questions?
Yeah, just feel free. I won't moderate the questions.
Yes, thank you very much. Can you say something regarding the revenue model, please?
The revenue model?
Yeah.
So at the moment we do single sales model. So the farmers buy the system, and they can buy updates to improve the sorting system, or to update the camera system at a later stage.
Okay. And what is the potential market in figures that you address?
So we focus on farmers which cultivate 5 to 50 hectares of potatoes, and in Germany there are around 8,000 farmers in this size, and this ends on a revenue around 350 million. Yeah.
So coming back to the pricing model, you said that the farmers will buy the machine, but do you think it would also be possible to have a leasing model?
As everyone asks this question, yeah, of course, it is possible to do a leasing model, but if you know farmers, they want to own stuff, and it's easier to sell them the system at once, and then on the later stage get a little bit of revenue with the updates. Yeah. Or we also think about doing a full service model, where we decrease the price of the system to a lower amount, and then get licensing in the later stage, but the feedback from the farmers is that they want to buy it once.
Well, I have a question to the AI model, to the algorithm. I think it's AI on it.
Yeah.
Does the model run on the machine, or do you need internet connection and it's in the cloud? And
No,
is it self-learning, and do you have different models for different potatoes? So there are large potatoes for French fries and small potatoes. So how do you adjust your model?
So the model runs on the machine, so on the farm, so you do not need any internet connection. And we do have several models for different potato colors, for example, if they are yellow or red. And the system is not self-learning because it's super difficult. Therefore, we gather data from every machine we have outside with new potato images. Yeah, we have a lot of potato images. I see a lot of potatoes each week. Yeah.
And according to that question, how do you deal with different soil colors? As we all know, some soils are lighter, some are darker.
Yeah. So we do have a very heterogeneous data set from all around Germany. And with more data, it's getting better and better. And if we realize in a later stage that we can create new models specialized for different areas, then we go in this step.
I also have a question. How do you protect your IP and make sure competitors do not copy your technology?
So we do have a patent on the retrofitting modularity of the system, but of course, as always, it's a thing. We think we have an awesome access to the market, and with our speed in deploying the machines, we can achieve this.
I also wanted to ask for competition.
I have one more question. So concerning use of funds, what would be your next milestone and what would you do with 10,000 euro?
With 10,000 or
10.
10?
Let's imagine 10.
Okay, with 10,000, I would buy office equipment for my employees because we still work in shrimp mode. We do not have proper equipment, therefore I would use it.
And another technical question, how do the cameras deal with dust, which is nearly always there when you're grading potatoes?
Yeah, so there are ventilators in the chamber which press down the dust, and therefore it's not a big problem.
So if every potato farmer have bought your technique, which will be the next objects? Which kind of vegetables or fruits?
Of course, onions, carrots, beets, like this. Because also the farms who cultivate potatoes often also cultivate onions or carrots.
Can they use the same sorting machines for the other objects too?
Yes.
Is this the same machine which can be used for different kind of vegetables?
It always depends on the farms,
Yeah.
but you can use our system, put it on the onion machine, put on
The same. Oh,
yeah.
that's interesting.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we heard the clock. Thank you. And this was KAREVO.